Hi, and welcome back to booth 319, where you'll find Young Living essential oils. I wanted to make a quick video to share with you the way that most people start purchasing from Young Living, and that is by getting a premium starter kit. The premium starter kit that most people choose is our oil kit. It comes in a box like this, and when you open it up, you will find an awesome collection of oils. You get lavender, lemon, peppermint, frankincense, thieves, citrus fresh, panaway, digest, valor, and raven. And then when you take this piece out, there's more goodies down here. You also get stress away and peace and calming oils. You get a thieves spray. You get thieves hand sanitizer. And then you get 2 samples of Ningxia Red, which is a superfruit antioxidant drink. Now, along with all of that, you also get a full product guide, and you get 24% off of everything you purchase in the future if you choose to. There's no obligation to purchase in the future, but if you're gonna buy again in the future, it's great to have that 24% off discount. Now, the premium starter kit also comes with a diffuser. You can see our most popular one right back there. That's the Desert Mist diffuser. It's got 11 different light settings. Right now it's on the candle flicker mode, but you can have, all different variety of colors of lights. It will cycle through all the different colors, or of course you can always turn the light out, which is great if you are diffusing at night and you don't want that light on. So all of this bundled together with the Desert Mist diffuser, it's at a huge discount when you get the premium starter kit. It's actually 60% off retail price. So in addition, we are offering our show special. Anyone who gets a premium starter kit, and that's any of our premium starter kits. So the oil kit that I just shared with you, or the CBD starter kit, or the Thieves starter kit, or the Ningxia Red starter kit. Anyone who gets any of those kits will get a free diffuser in addition to the one that comes with your kit, if your kit comes with one. Or if you choose a kit that doesn't normally come with a diffuser, you're gonna get our free show special diffuser as a gift from me and Kara to you. We look forward to linking arms with you and providing additional education and helping you out on your own oily journey. That's all for this video. I'll see you in a bit.